In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install MySQL to Jupyter Notebook. By the end, you'll have the MySQL connector installed in the same environment your notebooks run in, so you can start writing queries directly from Python. First, open Jupyter in your browser. Make sure you've launched it from the environment you actually use for your projects. If you typically work inside a virtual environment or a Conda environment, start Jupyter from there so anything you install lands in the right place. Once Jupyter is open and you can see your files, we'll move into the built-in terminal. At the top of the Jupyter interface, click the File menu, choose New, and then select Terminal. In JupyterLab, you may see a launcher with a terminal tile. In the classic interface, it appears under New as Terminal. This opens a new tab with a command line prompt. That prompt lets you install Python packages into the environment that Jupyter is using, which is exactly what we need. In the terminal, type pip install mysql-connector-python and press enter. This command downloads and installs the official MySQL driver for Python, which lets your notebook talk to a MySQL database. You'll need an internet connection, and the process may take a minute as dependencies are resolved. If your system uses a different Python alias, pip3 may be the correct command, and if pip isn't recognized, running python pip install mysql-connector-python does the same thing. If you see a permissions warning, adding the user flag installs the package just for your account. Let the installer finish. You're looking for a confirmation that it was successfully installed. That's it. With the connector in place, your notebooks can use MySQL through Python code in this environment. When you later write your database code, keep your credentials secure and avoid hard-coding sensitive details directly in notebooks. If you ever switch environments, just repeat these exact steps there to keep everything consistent.